In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unit stock in Zoho Books. Whether you're just getting started with inventory management or looking to fine-tune your processes, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to add unit stock effortlessly and keep your inventory up to date in Zoho Books. First things first, let's dive into creating a new item or editing an existing one. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Items section, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. Once there, click on the plus New button to start the process of adding a new item. Now, if you already have an item saved in your inventory list and you're simply looking to update it, scroll through the items list and find the specific item you want to modify. Click on the Edit button next to it, and you'll be ready for the next steps. Now that you're looking at the item details, it's crucial to enable inventory tracking. To do this, find the checkbox that says Track Inventory for this item. It's a simple but vital step that ensures your inventory levels are monitored within Zoho Books. This helps you keep an accurate record of the stock you have on hand at any given time, which is essential for inventory management. Once inventory tracking is enabled, it's time to enter the opening stock and unit details. You'll see a field labeled Opening Stock. Here, you'll enter the initial quantity of the item that you currently have in stock. This figure establishes a baseline inventory level for the item. Next, you'll need to input the opening stock rate per unit. This figure represents the cost price for each individual unit. Accurate entry here helps you maintain precise financial records. Lastly, head to the Unit field. Here you can type in the name of the unit, like pieces, boxes, or liters. Or if you prefer, select an existing unit from the drop-down menu. This helps in standardizing how the stock is measured and sold. Finally, with all the necessary details entered, you'll want to save your progress. Simply click the Save button to finalize the creation of the item with its opening stock and designated unit. Saving ensures all your meticulous efforts are recorded, setting your inventory system up for accurate tracking and management. And there you have it. You've successfully added unit stock in Zoho Books, streamlining your inventory management processes. This method not only helps with maintaining accurate stock levels, but also aids in keeping financial records precise and up to date. As always, feel free to revisit these steps as needed, and don't hesitate to reach out for further assistance if necessary. Thanks for watching, and happy inventory managing.